Now we are going to show some examples how volcano works. When you put vinegar in it, it will react.
Now as you can see that the lava is coming out of the volcano.
Now you can see the volcano is coming out from volcano. Lava.
खाली हो गया.
And this is how volcano works.
Thank you. When we add vinegar and vinegar in it, it will react with carbon dioxide and sulfur will come out of the volcano.
Now we are adding baking soda and vinegar.
You can see here is the eruption lava. That's one.
बचा के रख लो कभी भी काम करें.
Which absorb the sun rays to convert electricity or heat. These cells are arranged like guide-like pattern of the surface of solar panel. Ma'am, it is sun rays and it is.
देख लो, आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ. खींच लो, खिंचवा लो यहाँ फोटो खड़े हो. आराम से सारे अपने कपड़ों ऊपर सब पे गिरा लिया.
Ma'am, this is a car race game in which there are two rules. First rule is that it should go in the finish line, and second rule is that it should not get out of the track. So there are two magnets. First magnet is here and second is here.
Magnetic
so
car.
due to repulsion, it will move.
ये भी चलाओ, इसे पकड़, ट्राई करो. आओ, ऐसे खड़े होकर अच्छी तरह.
अरे यार वो गाड़ी पीछे चल.
पास मत ले जाओ ज्यादा.
It's not.
पानी ऐनी होगा ना ऐसे.
And yes.
For example, silicon ऐसे होगा. No, ऐसा ही. और सल्फर होगा. ज्यादा सारा तो
भाई पैसे कम खाएंगे.
Electrical energy. A windmill is mostly used in village areas as there is lack of electricity in village areas. And it was first invented by an American person named Denny Halade in 1854. And in India, Gujarat and Rajasthan are full of windmills. And do you want to ask a question? Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. So it is the working model of a windmill. A windmill is a structure which converts wind energy into the electrical energy. As I said, wind energy into the electrical energy. It is the wind energy and it converts into the electrical energy.
it will drop it down.
And in India,
Just
Gujarat and Rajasthan are full of wind energy windmills. There is lack of electricity. And they want to model up and some feedback. Sir, there is a degree of an earthquake.
Okay.
Here are some precautions we can take during an earthquake. Thank you, ma'am. If straight line is coming, it means there is no earthquake. But if we will shake it a little bit, the little zigzag lines will come. It means there is an earthquake of less magnitude. Take water into any container or a glass. So for using this, we just simply need to take the glass and put it towards this lever.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I made a vegetable chopper, which is a device or a machine which is used for cutting fruits and vegetables. So when we put chili inside this and open the switch, it cut in small pieces.
Solar panel and windmill project. In rural areas, we found mountains, mud houses, wells, and rivers. And the windmill only used in plain areas where wind comes only one direction. And in urban areas, we found buildings, clean roads, parkings, and more facilities. And in urban areas, we do not have more spaces, so the people use the solar panel to create electricity. Solar panel create electricity with the help of sun rays which come at the roof of the solar panel. And this is transformer which saved the electricity for the night. Because at the night we do not have sun rays, so it saves the electricity and it generates electricity at the night. Thank you.
I have used the glass, a bottle cap, a switch, the motor and the wire and a battery. So ma'am, when we pour the water in the glass and on the switch, so ma'am, a tornado will be generated in the glass. Ma'am, but to the repeat experiment, the water is leaked now, so I can't do it.
I have seen.
This is my respiratory system.
What is this?
Respiratory system.
Okay, respiratory system. How it works?
When we breathe, the lungs blow and diaphragm move upside down like this.
Dhwani, very good Dhwani.
Done karo.
Good morning, sir. This is a wind turbine. So it is a windmill. I have placed the battery motor here, and the two wires are connected to these batteries. So when the windmill starts moving, the electricity passes through these battery wires, and through this wire, the electricity in the bulb in the house will grow.
Electricity, you are using the source of power, battery power, but it should be the source of wind.
Yes, because but it's not the use of for electricity, and it is not situated at the grade of height. That's why.
So with the less energy, you are generating more energy with the wind. Good.
Here, and then there are two wires that is connected with an motor. Then the motor is connected with this LED bulb, and when this air moves, the bulb
Yeah.
will glow.
Good one.
Papa, what did you think
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
This is my model of rainwater harvesting. First, the rainwater is collected in collection tank. Through the collection tank, through the pipe, it goes to the filtration tank. Then all the sand and stones are filtered up. Then and settled at the bottom. Then through the another pipe, it goes to the well, and people can use it for various purposes like bathing, cleaning, washing, etc. Can you
good.
please give me a feedback? Good morning, sir. My name is Tanvi. I am from class 7C. This is my model of the rainwater harvesting. This is the collection tank where rainwater will get collected, and from there the water will go into the filtration tank. And after getting filtrated from the filtration tank, it will go to this well. From there, people can take the water for their purposes, household activities like washing.
So both are equal and same, all threes,
etc. We can
and four
also
as well.
use this water. Good morning, sir. This is rainwater harvesting. Here, first, when the rain will occur, the water will be collected in the collection tank, and it will go to the filtration tank. As the rainwater is not that much clean, so we cannot use it as it is. First, it will be filtered here, then it will come to the well. Filtered water will be come to the well, and people will use it for many purposes, like for washing, for drink. Even we can drink it because it's chemical free and it's healthy. It's basically done in Tamil Nadu and Chennai because there is scarcity of water, so it's mainly done. But now it is all compulsory in all of cities. So can you give me a feedback?
Good morning. Gases from factories and gases from cars
burning of wood, burning of plastics, and deforestation. Sir,
morning.
sir, feedback.
एक मिनट आके देता हूँ वीडियो.
Good morning, sir. I want to challenge you first to lift up the coin without wetting your hands. This coin. Can you lift it up without wetting your hands? It will contract. So there will be more space for the water to fill in, and so the water will rise. And as you can see, the top is left covered.
Excellent.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Can you please leave a feedback?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This is a plain water and this is Inopus water. If you will put the candle on plain water, so it will not blow up. If you will add if you will keep it above Inopus water, it will blow up because this produces CO2 and this produces water. And fire is used to burn. Please ask.
material.